Hey guys, how to add PMP to LinkedIn. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to your profile on LinkedIn. And under connections, you're going to see add section, press it, all right? And under core, you're going to see recommended. And if you press it, you're going to see a list of options, featured, and add licenses and certifications. So I'm going to click licenses and certifications and add the name of your project. Let's say security department. In the issuing organization, I'm going to add PMP, right? And once you select PMP, you're going to, of course, add or fill in the issue date and expiration date, and of course, the credential ID and credential URL if available. And also you can add skills that involves, your own field, right? And add media, of course, for more visualization, right? For more visuals, so people know exactly what you've been doing. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.